Market daily visualization, Ken Long, Tortoise Capital, May 14th, 2026. Daily charts, SPY, start with today's price action. That's the yellow zone. The automatic entry at the 10-day high, at the daily high, adjusting the daily low, adjusting the price, shifting the 5-day look back, updating the 5-day low, updating the PSAR stops for the RL10 and the RL30, adjusting the daily SMA 30 projection. That's the drift. Adjusting the 10-day look back, adjusting the 10-day low, adjusting the 10-period regression forecast. That's the regression drift. This is the moving average drift. That's the 60-period moving regression. You can interpret the drift from there. Adjusting the 30-day low, 30-day range. And we'll shift up the 30-day low. That was the turning point and the PSAR flip. That's been good ever since that signal. When the RL10 went through the PSAR here and it flips here, it tells you that's a buy. This is the 20-period regression line lagged by 10 days. So that looks at the best fit line from day 30 to day 11. And then that's for the last 10 days. So it gives you a sense of short term, fast, intermediate term. This is the long term. This is the 120-day regression lagged by 30 days. So that goes back to D minus 150 and describes that relationship. We're going to adjust the 150-day look back by a day. Make sure that all connects. So the last 120 days minus this explosion of 30-day wonderment. And we found the turning point when it happened, right here. All right, so that's the daily market visualization. Unexplainably strong. It can remain irrational longer than you can remain liquid. Ken at tortoisecapital.net.